Today we're going to be introducing our new range of high power density drone motors. Today we'll walk you through the key features, industries and specifications of the product. Designed for the next generation of drones, the HDM3115 features a revolutionary anti-slip slot structure, keeping your propellers locked in place for maximum safety and control. At its core, it has a 0.2 mm high-performance silicon steel lamination, delivering unmatched magnetic efficiency and motor response. Built for extremes, this motor uses 220 degrees Celsius high-temperature enamelled wire, paired with a single-strand winding design to handle high current loads with ease. With its high-torque magnetic rotor and tile-shaped magnets, you get raw, reliable power on demand. It's engineered for performance with self-cooling housing and rotor structure that ensures your motor runs cooler, longer and stronger. Plus, the lightweight hollow shaft design cuts weight without compromising strength, perfect for agile, high-speed manoeuvres. Paired with the powerful Raptor BLS-04 F4 Tower, the HDM3115 motor setup offers unmatched electronic control and flight stability. At its core is the high-performance EFM8BB21 MCU running at 50 MHz, enabling it to handle high currents with ease and is ideal for aggressive maneuvers and rapid acceleration. Complementing it is the STM32F405 flight controller, delivering precise, responsive control for demanding flight conditions. This tower also features a fully integrated 3.3 volt, 5 volt and 9 volt power system, making it simple to connect and power receivers, VTX modules, cameras, buzzers, LEDs and other peripherals without the need for additional converters or wiring complexity. For broad compatibility, it supports BlueJay firmware and a wide range of ESC protocols, including DShot, Oneshot 125, Oneshot 42, and Multishot, offering smooth and customizable motor control. Designed with flight accuracy in mind, the tower includes a built-in barometer and a dual-layer structure with silicon vibration dampeners, effectively isolating the flight controller from mechanical noise. This ensures clean sensor data and reliable flight performance, even in high vibration or high-speed environments. Whether you're racing through the tight courses or mapping vast terrains or exploring new horizons, the HDM3115 motor, paired with the Raptor BLS-04 F4 Tower, is your ultimate high-performance flight companion. Engineered for power, efficiency, and precision, this combination delivers the thrust, stability, and control you need for any demanding application. With advanced cooling features, high current handling, and intelligent flight control integration, it empowers your drone to fly harder, run cooler, and respond smarter every time you take off. The HDM3115 isn't just a motor, it's a leap forward in drone performance. Elevate your drone experience. For more information, use the contact on the screen or in the description to speak to one of our experts today. Thank you for watching.